Today we're going to be focusing on the pissing dog exercise. Horrible name, but massively effective for your splits or pancake, that kind of thing. So we're going to start off with a general warm-up from all fours and with the bent leg. The key here is to make sure your hips stay level. Now they will deviate a little bit as you're learning this, but just try and get rid of it as quickly as possible. And also you will probably try and compensate as well by tensing the core and pulling the leg a little bit again. Try and get rid of that as quickly as possible. We're going to start on all fours, and you're going to lift one leg with the knee still bent using your glutes. Now really engage the glutes. Now just lift it as far as you can go. So if it's an inch off the ground, it's an inch off the ground. You'll know what your limit is when the cramp kicks in. But as I say, be careful not to compensate in this. We're going to do 5 reps on each side 3 times. So 3 sets of 5. The next stage is straightening that leg at the top of the movement. So you're going to do the same thing again for 5 reps, 3 sets. You're going to lift the leg up using the glutes. It's bent at 90 degrees. When you reach the limit of your movement, you're going to try and extend the leg. Now the key to extending this leg is really engaging the quad and externally rotating a little bit. So imagine trying to point the top of your foot to the roof. Bring it back in. Back to the start position. Again, be really careful about compensations. Trying to keep the hip level. Don't try and let it go like this. It will happen, as I say, when you're learning it, as will the real tension in the core and pulling the hip up. We're going to move on again, and this time it involves moving the hip while in that engaged position at the top of the movement. So you're going to straighten your leg out to the side, foot still on the floor, still externally rotate it towards the roof as much as you can. And then you're just going to lift it off. It only has to be off the floor about an inch or 2. You're going to do 5 circles in one direction, 5 circles in the other direction, and then rest. The fourth little part, the little finisher part, is you're going to lift yourself up with a nice straight leg into your top position, and you're going to practice rotating the leg from inward to outward, internal to external. Just keep the leg as high and as still as you possibly can and rotate that whole hip. Rotate the femur as much as you possibly can. This will help build the amount that you can actually externally rotate whenever you need to do other exercises in the future. So give it a go. It's a horrible but great exercise with an unfortunate name. And it will help you get into your pancake and your splits, things like that.